How to use the Colleague AI share feature, which allows us to invite our colleagues into interactives so they can make edits or copies, and how we can share a preview of our interactives with the world, and how sharing is different from publishing. The Colleague AI interactive feature is a powerful HTML builder that empowers us to make basically any online interactive that we can imagine. In a previous video, we showed how we can take existing activities, like a spreadsheet from a biology lab, and create a live data display that visualizes multiplayer results in real time on a teacher dashboard. If you haven't seen this video yet, feel free to check it out in the links below. Other interactives may include tests or simulations or online worksheets, even seating charts. And in this case, we used the Generate Interactive feature to make a staff survey. And we don't have to make these things alone. We can use the Share button to allow colleagues and collaborators to access and edit our interactives. By clicking the Share button, we can invite people who are inside our organization to either edit or view content. In this menu, we also see the people with access to an interactive, and we can always adjust this as needed. We can change a collaborator's permissions to edit, view, or we can remove access at any time. After we share, we'll see this little button on our screen, and this can be moved around. That way it's never blocking anything, and this little button indicates who is making edits at that time. This is important because although multiple people can have access and have the ability to make edits, only one person can make edits at a time. If another person has the interactive open, you'll see their little icon in the menu at the top. Now, when this little button says, "No one is editing," it means the interactive is open, and you can select Start Editing. When a user makes an edit to language or vocabulary in the interactive by using edit mode, these changes are reflected in our collaborators' screens. Collaborators can either take over or request edit, which allows them to contribute, and in this case, make an AI update by using the chat. Once the update is complete, this will be seen on other collaborator screens. These changes are automatically saved, and you can see the total history of your collaborative edits by clicking Version History. You can go back and see who made which edits and when they made them. You can click these three little dots to delete versions, and you can make a copy of previous versions too. When you do, your version will be saved to your documents in the My Documents section. Shared documents will have this little collaborator icon, and if an interactive was shared with you, it will appear in your Shared with Me folder. So that's how we share with collaborators and colleagues, and that's how we can contribute to content development as a team. But you can share previews of your interactive to anyone. From the Share menu, you can use the link access option, and you can make a link that will open a preview of that interactive. And a preview won't save responses or data, but it does allow someone to explore what the interactive can do. When you set link access to restricted, only people with that link will be able to see that interactive. When you set link access to anyone with the link can see that interactive. After co-creating the perfect interactive and after sharing a preview with other colleagues, it may be time to publish. Using the Publish button is how we distribute interactives to students or respondents, which will save responses and data, and will allow us to generate reports and grades after submissions and responses are collected. If you're curious about publishing to students or respondents and you want to learn more about reports, check out the link for this video in the description below. And on that note, we are always impressed by the creativity of our educators. If you have an interactive that you would like to show us, please do. Don't hesitate to send us a share link or post a preview of your favorite interactives in the comments below.